Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Dinh Duy Cuong. In today's video, I will answer a question about Google software. Someone asked in the group yesterday, after editing a pattern template, how do you update that template to the marker section? Marking here means updating it to the layout, so I will make a video to share this with you. For example, here is a pattern template that we've finished, and after we've laid out the pattern, it looks like this. Now the customer requests to edit this pattern template, and after making the changes, you want to save this updated template. And now, how do you make it so that when you open this layout, it will be updated with the edits made in the design section? Here's what you need to do. Go to File. First, go to Options. I'm using Gerber 16 here, but if you're using version 10, it's pretty much the same. Then open up this panel, the AccuMark Unity panel. On the left side, you'll see this little pin icon. Look right here, there's an auto-update marking option. Go ahead and select Prompt for me. This way, whenever you open the layout, the software will ask you whether or not you want to update all of the edited details into the layout or not. At this point, go ahead and click on the Apply button, followed by the OK button. Now you can try opening up the shadow application. When you open the shadow, you'll see a question here asking if you want to update the edited details into this shadow. If you want to update, just click Yes. Then wait for just a brief moment while it processes, and it will update the edited details into this layout. And if you find my video helpful, it would be greatly appreciated if you could subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. And if you want to install Gerber version 16, please contact me at the phone number displayed on the screen. Goodbye, and see you in the next sharing videos.